Hi guys, today I am going to share my reviews on the kitchen knife. Initially when I set up my kitchen, I tried different kitchen knives from different companies like these, and they worked fine for few days, but after few days of use, they kind of stopped working or they did not work well on all kind of vegetables. Then I switched to this Rena Germany brand knife. This particular kitchen knife is 110 millimeter long, and I have noticed that Rena Germany kitchen knife comes in two different sizes, the smaller one and the bigger one. The bigger one is 110 millimeter long, and I have noticed the difference that the bigger one works better than the smaller one. I don't know, maybe there's a difference in quality, and it's me who is noticing the difference. So I would suggest going for the longer one, the Rena Germany brand kitchen knife. So these are the like different colors that I have bought. It may be coming in other colors also, and I would suggest using this as a kitchen knife. It works fine if you're holding the vegetable or fruit in hand and cutting with this knife, or using the chopping board. It works on both of those ways of cutting. So I think Rena Germany kitchen knife is the best kitchen knife for cutting vegetables and fruits. Thank you.